So I'm gonna do a video here real quick of some good old country food. Something my great grandma used to make called chocolate gravy. So what you do is you take 1 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 big old tablespoon of cocoa, unsweetened. Throw it in a skillet or a pot. This one here is I've cut the recipe in half, so it's just a small batch. I've got a thing of biscuits in the oven right now as well. But really, you just bring this here to a slight boil after you put your sugar, milk, and cocoa together. Just bring it to a little simmer. Keep stirring it, get it all mixed up real good. I prefer to use Hershey's. I mean, you can use what other brands you want to do in powders. You want to use dark chocolate, that's fine too. But Granny just used good old unsweetened cocoa. So just get it all nice and mixed up. So just let that come to a boil. Turn that heat down just a little bit. Shit, screwed it up. That should be good right about there. Go ahead and kill the heat. Leave it sit on it if you'd like. I suggest not to. Try and keep it moving so it breathes a little bit. You don't want it to start sticking to the pan. There you go. Enjoy.